Dr. Manoj Kumar will give lecture on the case study of the ICA group of Sudesh company, ICA yearning through the five force medal. National competitive advantage of the ICA group, a Swedish company founded in 1943 with a headquarter in Denmark, is a multinational operator of a chain of stores for the home furnishing and furniture. It is the world's largest furniture retailer, which specializes in stylish but inexpensive Scandinavian designed furniture. At the end of the 2000, the ICA group of the company had a total of the 175 stores in 31 countries. In addition, there are 19 ICA stores owned and run by franchises outside the ICA group in 12 countries. During the ICA financial year 2004-5, 323 million people visited our ICA stores around the world. In Sudan, nature and the home both play a big part in the people's life. In fact, one of the best way to describe the Swedish home furnishing style is to describe nature, full of the light and fresh air, yet distant and unpretentious. To match up, the artist Carly Larson combined classical influences with Warner Swedish folk styles. They created a model of the Swedish home furnishing design that today enjoy worldwide renown. In the 1950s, the style of the modernism and functionalism developed at the same time as the student established a society founded on the social equality. The ICA product range, modern but not trendy, functional yet attractive, human-centered aid, child-friendly carriage on these various Swedish home furnishing tradition. The ICA concept, like its founder, was born in the small land. This is a part of the southern Sudan where the soil is in the thin and poor. The people are famous for working hard, living on a small means, and using their heads to make the best possible use of the limited resource they have. This way of doing things is at the heart of the ICA approach to the keeping prices low. ICA was founded when Sweden was first becoming an example of the caring society where rich and poor alike were well looked after. This is also a theme that fits well with the ICA vision. In order to give the many people a better everyday life, ICA asks customer to work as a partner. The product range is the child friendly and covers the needs of the whole family, young and old. So together we can create a better everyday life for everyone. In addition to working with the around 1800 different suppliers across the world, ICA produces many of its own products through the sawmill and the factory in the ICA industrial group, Swedwood. Swedwood also has a duty to transfer knowledge to other suppliers, for example, by educating them in issues such as efficiency, quality, and the environmental work. Swedwood has 35 industrial units in 11 countries. ICA has 12 trading service offices in the 33 countries. Proximity to their suppliers is the key to the rational long-term cooperation. That's why TSO co-workers visit suppliers regularly to monitor production, test new ideas, negotiate prices, and carry out quality audits and inspections. The route from supplier to customer must be as direct, cost-effective, and environment-friendly as possible. Flat packs are an important aspect of this work. Eliminating wasted space means we can transport and store goods more efficiently. Since, since efficient distribution plays a key role in the work of creating the low price goods routing and logistics are a focus for constant development. The business idea. The ICA business idea is to offer a wide range of the home furnishing with the good design and function at prices so low that what many people as possible will be able to afford them and still have money left. The company targets the customer who is looking for value and willing to do little bit of work serving themselves, transporting the items home and assembling the furniture for a better price. The typical ICA customer is young, low to middle income family. The competitive advantage, the competitive advantage strategy, ICA's product is reflected through the ICA's success in the retail industry. It can be attributed to its vast experience in the retail market, product differentiation, and the cost leadership. ICA product differentiation, a wide product range. The ICA product range is the wise and versatile in several areas. First, it is versatile in function because ICA think customer should not have to run from one small specialist shop to the another shop to furnish their home. ICA gather plants, giving living room furnishing, toys, frying pans, and whole kitchen. Everything which is in a functional way helps to build a home in one place at the ICA store. Second, it is wide in style. The romantic at heart will find choices just as many as the minimalist at the ICA. But there is one thing ICA don't have, and that is the far out for the over decorated. They they only have what helps build a home, that room for getting living. Third, by being coordinated, the range is wide in a function and style at the same time. No matter which style you prefer, there is an armchair and goes with the bookcase, that goes with the new extending table, that goes with the armchair. So their range is wide in a variety of ways. Cost leadership, a wide range with the good form and function is only half the story. Affordability has a part to play. The largest part, a wide range with good form and function is only half the story. Affordability has to play the largest part, and the joy of being able to own it without having to forsake everything else. And the customers help to by choosing the furniture, getting it at the warehouse, transporting it home, and assembling it themselves to keep the prices low. Now the questions are: do you think the ICA has been successful to utilize Porter's 5 force analysis? Give reasons. What do you think can the ICA improve? This is the ICA case study. This is the ICA case study.